Introducing Swann's state-of-the-art, easy-to-use 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security camera systems. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are 24/7 with the Ultra HD security system installed in your home or business. Seeing is believing with 4K Ultra high-definition cameras offering breathtaking quality with 4 times the resolution of 1080p cameras. The Ultra HD resolution lets you zoom in to discern important details which are essential for evidence, such as faces and license plates. True Detect thermal sensing detects motion by heat, such as from people and cars, to trigger recording and push notifications, virtually eliminating false triggers. It even has night vision up to 150 feet, 45 meters in total darkness, or 200 feet, 60 meters with ambient light, so you'll know what's happening anytime, day or night. Set and forget recording onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of incident video via USB port onto a memory stick, network, or your mobile device's memory. Have extra peace of mind by uploading footage to the cloud when you link your DVR to your personal Dropbox account, so you'll have video evidence even if your DVR gets stolen. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Video analytics helps you know what's happening. Set up line crossing detection, intrusion detection, and static object detection to trigger recording and alerts. Add or swap cameras with sensor spotlight cameras that enable color video at night and also have a built-in siren to help you prevent crime. View live or playback video at high definition on your HD TV, LCD screen, or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. Safeguard loved ones, protect property, see if a package has been delivered, and make sure pets and loved ones are all okay. Swann's cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security system. It's from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.